Hey there, ocean explorers! Are you ready for an underwater adventure? Today, we're diving deep into the world of the barracuda, one of the coolest creatures in the sea. These sleek predators are full of surprises, and we're about to uncover some fascinating facts about them. So, grab your snorkel and let's dive right in. Speedy swimmers. Barracudas are super fast swimmers, reaching speeds of up to 27 miles per hour, 43 kilometers per hour. Sharp teeth. They have razor-sharp teeth, just like a tiny underwater shark. These teeth help them catch their prey with lightning-fast precision. Camouflage experts. Barracudas can change their color to blend in with their surroundings, making them excellent hunters. Big appetites. These fish have huge appetites and can eat fish half their size in just one gulp. Super senses. Barracudas have amazing eyesight and can see really well even in murky water. Moms on guard. Female barracudas are super protective moms. They lay their eggs in shallow waters and keep a close watch until the babies hatch. Long and lean. Barracudas have long, slender bodies that help them dart through the water with ease. Wow, what an incredible journey into the world of the barracuda! From their lightning-fast speed to their razor-sharp teeth, these fish are truly amazing. Remember, there's always more to discover beneath the waves, so keep exploring and learning about the wonders of the ocean. Until next time, keep swimming and stay curious, my underwater adventurers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.